Good evening, everyone. We are here today in historic downtown St. Augustine. We have an amazing hotel to show you. We're absolutely loving it. We're on the balcony of our hotel room right now. As you can see, the water, the ships, you got people watching down below, everything. This is the Hilton in downtown St. Augustine. An amazing property. We've already walked around and everything. So we're just going to go around and show you what it has to offer. We have a King Balcony Bayfront Room. So this is the exact view you'll see from here in the Bayfront. So that being said, let's check out the Hilton Hotel. Walking up the hill towards the main entrance. There's a scooter rental right there. They do have an on-site restaurant. You can see all the little buildings here and everything. How cool it's laid out and everything here. This is the valet parking area. All the flags there. There's a couple of little placards over here. These steps right here were established when the Monson Hotel was demolished in 2003. They remain a tribute to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who was arrested here in 1964. On the site, June 18, 1964, 16 Jewish clergy marching in protest for civil rights at the request of the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was arrested in the largest mass arrest of rabbis in the United States history. St. Augustine Jewish Historical Society. So that's these steps right here. That's really awesome. They saved those. As soon as you come in the lobby, you got the restaurant on the right there. You have this beautiful fountain right here in the middle. Beautiful chandelier. Second floor overlook. Even the ceilings look beautiful. You got all these bench seating along here. There's a beautiful tile work and everything. There's the front desk you check in at. I'm looking back here behind us. Look at that. That's so cool. Such an awesome place in here. Even the desks are beautiful. There's a little shop back there for drinks and coffee, things like that. There's a printer right there if you need it. And look at this little sitting area over here. Got these awesome chairs here. Here we are at the elevators on the second floor. There's a couple things I want to show you up here. Look at that. Old antique car going across like the bay here. That is awesome. A couple of chairs over here. Look at that giant lamp. That is so cool. To the right is our room. Down the hallway and that way, down the right, to the right and down the right again, to where the Bayfront balcony room is. But this way here, they got some nice seatings out here. Also some conference rooms here. Which is really nice. And if I want to show you this lobby from the second floor. Look at that chandelier. You got the painting there. It looks like St. Augustine, I'm assuming. Wow. Looking down below, you got the fountain. This is such a nice hotel here. I absolutely love it. I just want to show you that painting and the lobby down there. We are in room 239. This is a one king bed with the balcony here. Hey, Steph.
Hey.
Coming on into the room here. You can already see how nice this room looks. I'll show you the bathroom real quick. Standard toilet, sink, plenty of storage, plenty of towels. I love how the sink comes up right here. It's very nice. Full-size mirror. Hello, everybody. It's got a marble tile on the floor, marble tile on the walls. Very nice. Some of the amenities they have there. And a few more amenities over here. They also have a makeup mirror right here that pulls out and lights up. Oh, it's really bright too, so that's nice. And then your shower here. There's the amenities in the shower. You have a spot here for your shampoo and things like that. Very nice. And then cool artwork on the wall. Florida, the Sunshine State. And then turning back around this way, you have your closet there. That magically opened thanks to Stephanie. Plenty of storage, safe down below. Right over here, you got the waters that are complimentary, coffee maker and all that. Down below, you got your fridge here. And, oops, that was very loud. You got a full-size mirror right there. TV right there. Plenty of storage. Over on this side here, you got the king size bed. Looks very nice, very comfy. Each side of the bed, you have a table there. There's a couple of plugs here on the side. A couple of plugs here on the lamp. Clock. Looks like an iPhone spot there. And that headboard looks really nice. That's a really nice headboard there. Coming back over this way. You got a nice mirror on the wall here. Good sized desk, chair. Another lamp there. And same thing on this side right here. Lamp, 2 plugs, storage on there. You have a chair and table over here. You have artwork on the wall. Looks like there's walking through downtown historic St. Augustine. Those doors I'll show you here in a second, but you got a little sitting area here, a little ottoman, however you want to use it. Turn this lamp on real quick. Another lamp here. You got a good view of the pool from here. As you look out the window right there, pool and everything. And then here is the wow factor. This is a king bed balcony bayfront. So it's specified, or we specified online bayfront when booking this room. So I'm not sure they have balconies that are non-bayfront or not. But I know they definitely have rooms that don't view the bay. But look at that. Wow. That's the A1A down below in front of our room. And 2 rocking chairs and a little table out here. Palm tree and everything. The only thing I can say I don't like as much is there's not much privacy here as far as the balconies go. So you would have one neighbor literally right there. It would be nice if they put the little wall right there between, but still absolutely fantastic. This is a 2-story hotel. Not a ton of rooms. So it's a very small hotel, very private, but there's the pool area we just saw from the window. There's the sidewalk from the street below. And there's the street right there, A1A, historic A1A. Also historic downtown St. Augustine. So you're here in the action. Look at the bay out there. Wow. And it's a little hard to see it, but directly behind that palm tree is the lighthouse. There you go. There's your lighthouse. You can see from there. That's the Bridge of Lions, the Lion Bridge, I believe it is. And you can see all the traffic, the people walking below, and everything. If you love people watching, you know they literally have to walk below. There's actually people walking right there. So it's great for people watching. Pool right there. Just an awesome room. I'm going to show you that bay for a few seconds there. I just love looking out the window at that bay right there. Or off the balcony at that bay right there. It's so cool. They have an outdoor pool and there's a small hot tub around the corner over there. There's some lounge chairs and tables out here. It's very nice. That room right there, that corner room with the window and the balcony is ours. And this is also something really neat. It goes to 5 feet deep. A lot of times nowadays you see 3 and 4 feet. So it's good to see a smaller pool like this go to 5 feet deep. And you have a hot tub over here. And water fountain as well. You have a little outdoor shower right here. And there's the entrance to the hotel where you go for valet and things like that. You also have a table, chairs, and a little umbrella covering right here. So it's not a huge pool, but I think it's good enough. It's just what you need. There's also some balcony rooms right there. It also has maybe some rooms on the bottom floor. But it's a great spot that people watch as well. People watch from here. You can see the bay from here. So that's our room right there. Look at this right here. The Monsoon Motel, formerly located on this site, was the focal point of demonstrations led by Dr. Robert B. Hailing and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. that resulted in the passage of the landmark Civil Rights Act of 1964. Wow, that is really cool, really cool facts, really interesting information right there. And let's look at the bay from here. There's a Stephanie in the window waving at us. That room is so cool. So there's our balcony right there, and it's overlooking the bay you see right here. Get the lighthouse off in the distance, the Lion Bridge, the Bridge of Lions. Looks like a little pirate ship over there, looks like as well. Another look at the hot tub and a point of reference for you. There's the water fountain. They do have restrooms out here and pool towels over here as well. And this little gate here goes out to the main area where valet is and everything else. They have a laundry room on the first floor. There's the washer and dryer, a couple of chairs over here to sit in while you wait, and they also give you free laundry detergent. I don't think I've ever seen a hotel give you free laundry detergent. That's an awesome little perk that they give you here. They have a workout room here. There's scale, towels, all your machines back there, free weights, Peloton bike right here, and they have water and cups for the water right here as well. It's time to head out of the Hilton St. Augustine. I'm about to check out the next few minutes here, but great stay, beds are comfy, shower was good, staff was great. It's all in all a great hotel. If you stay here, try to get one of the Bayfront rooms if you can with the balcony. Again, there's that view right there. Awesome, awesome view, awesome hotel, right in the heart of downtown St. Augustine, historic district. This is the oldest city in America, so it's cool actually staying here. A lot of things to do in here as well, or do in this area as well. So that being said, yeah, just a great stay. Check out this hotel, you'll definitely enjoy it. And the nerds are out.